Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Entertainment Chic. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I transformed an old wig into a new one. Firstly, I got a wig net to transfer the braided wig into this, making it a brand new one. I'd already gone far at this point. This is the middle. I had to use needle and thread to pick and fix one after the other all through till this very point. This took a continuous process until I got to this very point where I had already fixed the closure of the wig. I'm trying to cover up the center of the hair so that one side will not be too big and one side will not be too flat. At this point I was already trying to close up the point between the closure and the wig itself so that there will be a balance on the wig. Okay, we are getting there. Our old wig is looking all new, brand new wig. Oh yes, this is what hand can do. Yes, at this point I'm done fixing the braids one after the other. Wow, can you see that? Can you see that? This is a wig that should have been thrown away because of the net. So after that, I had to do away with the excesses under the closure. Where I have the closure, I had to do away with the excesses. Thereafter, here is a brand new wig looking all beautiful to be rocked. Yes, to anywhere. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.